What's up, everybody? Welcome to Awesome Tech You Can't Buy It, a show where I round up the 5 best crowdfunding projects that have hit the internet this week. First up this week, we have the Aqua-Do, which is basically an Alexa-powered speaker for your shower. There's really not too much to say about this thing. It's pretty much just a waterproof speaker that has Alexa built into it, so you can just shout what songs you want it to play instead of having to fiddle with your phone. Minimum pledge for this one is going to be about $79, and they expect to ship it sometime in March of next year. Next up on this week's list, we have Snow Feet, which are basically roller skates for the snow. So imagine somebody took a set of skis and then cut off the back from your heel on and then the front from your toes forward, and then just left you with only that little bit of ski right underneath your foot. That's basically what these things are. So you stick your foot in them, ratchet them down, and then you can essentially skate on packed snow. They're not gonna work in deep snow, but if you have like groomed snow, I imagine this would actually be pretty fun. If you wanna get a pair of these on your feet, you're gonna have to dish out 119 bucks. That's the minimum pledge, and they expect to ship it sometime in February of 2019. Next up, we have Railier, which is a motorcycle jacket that has built-in lights. So the idea here is that instead of wearing high-vis reflector stuff, this jacket actually has built-in lights that are powered by a little battery pack. And in addition to that, not only do they light up to make you more visible, but they also sync with the lights on your bike. So when you brake, the lights turn red, and then when you signal or whatever, it'll actually blink yellow and tell people which way you're going. Minimum pledge for this sucker is $613, which is a lot, but it is pretty cool. You're not gonna be able to find this anywhere else, and they expect to ship it sometime in February of next year. Next up, we have another jacket, but this one's a little bit different. It is the Lofttech Adventure Jacket from Outdoor Vitals, which is like an up-and-coming outdoor gear retailer. They make some really cool stuff. The idea here was to take all of the best things from down jackets and all of the best things from synthetic jackets and then put them together in one jacket. In order to do that, they created a completely new form of insulation called Lofttech, which essentially is super lightweight but also super compressible, and it's also waterproof. So it's all of the good things that you've ever wanted in a jacket. It's also considerably cheaper than a lot of the high-performance down jackets that you would get from big brands like Patagonia and the North Face and all those other outdoor companies. It's only $129 on Kickstarter right now, and they have already made their goal, so they expect to ship in April of 2019. Last but not least, we have the inflatable travel jumpsuit by One Piece. The name pretty much says it all for this thing. It is a onesie that is specifically designed for air travel. The features this thing has are absolutely brilliant. It's got an inflatable neck pillow that's built into the jumpsuit. It's got a little hood you can pull down over your eyes if you want to take a nap. It's even got detachable pockets that you can pull off when you have to go through TSA. And all of that, and it only costs $129 on Kickstarter right now. Best of all, since they have already met their funding goal, they fully expect to ship this in March of 2019. That does it for this week, but be sure to tune in again next week and I will bring you 5 more awesome crowdfunding projects that you probably wouldn't have seen otherwise. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, I highly recommend checking out some of our older stuff because we do this video every week, and some of the stuff that I mentioned last week is still on Kickstarter. So you can find all those videos probably right here to my right. Also, if you want to find our future videos, check us out on digitaltrends.com.